Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Repeat YouTube channel. Today we will know some daily use sentences. आज 30 डेज स्पोकन इंग्लिश कोर्स का क्लास 12 है। आज हम फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस के बारे में जानेंगे। आसानी से इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए आप ये क्लास ज़रूर देखिए। अगर अच्छे लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर देना। लेट्स गो। वो 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा होगा। He will have been studying for 2 hours. He will have been studying for 2 hours. मैं सुबह से काम कर रहा होगा। I will have been working since morning. I will have been working since morning. ये कोई दिनों से यात्रा कर रहे होंगे। They will have been traveling for many days. They will have been traveling for many days. तुम 2 घंटे से इंतज़ार कर रहे होगे। You will have been waiting for 2 hours. You will have been waiting for 2 hours. वो सुबह से खाना बना रही होगी। She will have been cooking since morning. She will have been cooking since morning. बच्चे शाम से खेल रहे होंगे। The kids will have been playing since evening. The kids will have been since evening. हम 1 घंटे से बात कर रहे होंगे। We will have been talking for an hour. We will have been talking for an hour. वो कोई सालों से वहाँ रह रहे होगा। He will have been living there for many years. He will have been living there for many years. मैं 2 साल से अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँगा। I will have been learning English for 2 years. I will have been learning English for 2 years. ये कोई घंटों से फिल्में देख रहे होंगे। They will have been watching a movie for several hours. They will have been watching a movie for several hours. वो दोपहर से गाना गा रही होगी। She will have been singing since afternoon. She will have been singing since afternoon. हम 3 घंटे से सफ़र कर रहे होंगे। We will have been traveling for 3 hours. We will have been traveling for 3 hours. वो रात से सो रहा होगा। He will have been sleeping since night. He will have been sleeping since night. मैं बहुत समय से तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँगा। I will have been waiting for you a long time. I will have been waiting for you for a long time. ये सुबह से ऑफिस में काम कर रहे होंगे। They will have been working in the office since morning. They will have been working in the office since morning. वो 4 बजे से किताब पढ़ रहा होगा। He will have been reading a book since 4 o'clock. He will have been reading a book since 4 o'clock. तुम सुबह से कुछ खा नहीं रहे होगे। You will have been not eating anything since morning. You will have been not eating anything since morning. हम तब तक नाच रहे होंगे। We will have been dancing by then. We will have been dancing by them. वो 2 दिनों से बीमार हो रही होगी। She will have been being sick for 2 days. She will have been being sick for 2 days. Thank you everyone. For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you again.